guys, welcome back to my channel. You will have to excuse my horrendous hair at the moment, but I washed it this morning and then put a hat straight on it, so I've got major hat hair going on at the moment. So today I wanted to talk about this look that I've gone for today. The eyeshadow that I used for this look was actually from my Morphe Copper Spice palette. This is like one of my favourite palettes. I found this on a Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial for like a subtle smoky eye. Those are the shades. I have spoke about it in previous videos, but it's one of my favourite palettes. I haven't actually used it for a while, so I thought I'd use it today on this look that I'm going for. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I went to TK Maxx a couple of weeks ago and I found probably one of my favourite buys I think I've ever found from there, and it is the Anastasia Aurora Glow palette, and it was from £41 down to £24.99. It's still a bit pricey for the makeup I tend to go for, but I know this is supposed to be like one of the best like glow kits, so I'm gonna, it's absolutely beautiful, but this is what it looks like. Those highlighters, like I can't tell how amazing they look, especially close up. You can see all like the glitter pigmentation in them. So I'm gonna do a couple of swatches here for you. I'm gonna try and get them on my arm. So those are all the highlight shades that you can see there. Not the best of swatches that I got going on there. They're so nice, they're absolutely beautiful. I haven't actually used them on my face at all yet. I think this is going to be a special occasions kind of kit, because like, look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that was my absolute bargain that I got. I've been waiting for Anastasia makeup to come into the TK Maxx, or one of the TK Maxxes that I go to, just to have one of the kits, because I watch a lot of YouTubers, especially there's one called Emily Price, and she's really good. I love watching her videos, and I think she used to work in TJ Maxx, I think they call it in the States, and she would always go in there and film going through all the new makeup that they've got in there, and they would constantly have the Anastasia palettes in there, and I've never seen them in the ones over here, so I was absolutely chuffed with that. So absolute bargain. I think in the previous video I bought some new Ardell baby demi wispies, and I love them. They're like the perfect size for me, because I don't like to go too fake when it comes to eyelashes. I don't like the big eyelash look. So I tried them on a makeup tutorial that I did, and it was of a night time, so I didn't actually go anywhere after. So while I was watching telly, I took them off and left them on the little coffee table that I've got, and within probably less than 24 hours I've lost one, and I'm absolutely gutted. I've hunted everywhere for it. The only thing I can think of is that my damn cats had them, and so I'm hoping it's going to turn up soon, but I really wanted to try them on today in this video, but hey ho. But I did find these in one of my handbags, so I obviously forgot that I bought these, and they're just the Ardell Demi Wispies, and they're $3.99 down from $5.49 from TK Maxx. I also got this from Topshop a couple of weeks ago, which I forgot to mention, and I kind of had to. I'm quite a big Disney fan, and like one of my favourite YouTubers is Steph Toms, and she quite often buys some like quite cute little headbands that hold her hair back, and I've only got my Minnie Mouse ears and just some cat ears that I bought for Halloween. So I bought this because it was Princess Jasmine. So I've got this now to be able to hold my hair back, and I can pretend that I am Princess Jasmine. Beautiful. Look. So I got that from Topshop and it's £6, but I think it was down in the sale, so I think it cost me £4.50, I don't remember. Like I said, I've had it for a couple of weeks, I just forgot that I bought it. So I cannot wait to start using that in my videos, so wait for that. And finally, I had my Secret Santa that I had with my friends, and we had a budget of £20, yeah, £20. And we did it the other night, and this is what I got from one of them, and I am absolutely buzzing. Ta-da! It's Kat Von D! Kat Von D! I love Kat Von D makeup, but it's so expensive to buy, and I might have mentioned that I really wanted the tattoo liner, so my friend got me this, and it's the Kat Von D Signature Eye and Lip Duo, and it also comes with a lipstick in it, like a mini Studded Kiss cream lipstick in the shade Double Dare. So that is what I've got on today. I wanted to test it out. I know I have already put it on, but I wanted to see how long it would last. So this has been on for maybe 2-3 hours, and it's still there, but it transferred quite a bit from, I had a cup of coffee this morning and it transferred from that. I also had a coffee from Costa as well, and it transferred onto that. It's such a nice colour though, but this is what it looks like. It is the cutest little lipstick, and it's completely my colour as well. It's like a shade that I wear quite often. It's like a mauve shade there. Look how beautiful. It's absolutely tiny as well. But like I said, this is in the shade Double Dare, and it's like, I'm still chuffed with that. And then obviously then this is the main. There it is. Finally, I've got the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is supposed to be one of the best eyeliners in the world to get. And as you know, I'm not actually that good at doing eyeliner, but I wanted to test it out today in this video. So I've kind of got to do a good job because I've got to go to work tonight. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, so it's not perfect, you guys, but that's not too bad. And I don't want to keep like messing with it because that's usually when I tend to mess it up. So that's it, you guys. That's the lipstick and the eyeliner. So I'm gonna leave that eyeliner on for work tonight, and I'm hoping that it's gonna last, because that's my issue with eyeliners all the time, is that it just doesn't really last very long. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with that, obviously. Best present I've had this year so far, I think. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So if you did enjoy this video, then please, please, please smash that thumbs up just down below. And also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. It really does mean a lot. And head over to my Instagram, which is Holly, and that's with an IE, .rutter, and also head over to my Twitter account, which is Holly_makeup. And until next time, guys, take care.